Corning's innovations in optical fiber have helped make high-speed communication technology possible, linking neighborhoods, connecting cities, and bridging continents. Corning is the world leader in optical fiber and is dedicated to pursuing the fiber revolution around the world. Unlike many fiber manufacturers, Corning makes all the glass from raw materials for all its fiber, a totally synthetic process to ensure the highest quality and performance over the fiber's entire service life. Every strand of fiber Corning sells has full traceability to every step of our process, all the way back to raw materials. In the laydown step of the OVD process, ultra-pure raw materials are precisely deposited in their purest form. Quality control systems monitor the process so that each layer is evenly deposited with the precise chemical characteristics required. This soot-covered target is called a preform. This exacting process ensures optimum performance characteristics, including dispersion, attenuation, fiber geometry, and bandwidth. Corning designs and builds their manufacturing process equipment which enables the best process control and product consistency. The soot preform is then placed into a consolidation furnace and transformed from a porous glass compound into a solid transparent glass so pure that its contaminant levels are measured in parts per billion. During the consolidation process, there are two basic functions, drying and sintering. In the drying phase, contaminants and moisture are removed. In the sintering step, the glass undergoes a change into a clear preform. In the draw process, the preform is lowered into a furnace and the tip is heated, causing a gob of hot glass to descend. Once the gob drops, it is removed and the fiber is threaded through a device that controls the speed of the draw and the fiber diameter. A protective dual-layer acrylic coating added to the fiber provides protection for handling, cabling, and installation. The inner coating layer is soft and cushions the fiber against external stresses. The outer coating layer is hard and provides durability and protection. The coated fiber is continuously measured during the draw process to ensure the tightest geometric specifications are met, and then wound onto a bulk spool. The bulk spool is then transported to the screening and measurement process. Every centimeter of fiber is proof tested to ensure its required strength. The fiber is then wound onto shipping spools and cut to a specified length for the customer. Corning's measurement equipment is certified daily and referenced to standards at Corning's worldwide Center for Fiber Optic Testing. After the optical and physical parameters are measured, a final visual inspection occurs, ensuring that all specifications are met. After measurement, the spool is labeled with a unique identification number, packed in protective plastic spool covers, and sent to the warehouse for storage and shipment. At the shipping area, Corning fiber spools are packed in recyclable shipping containers and shipped to customers around the world.